allowing you to watch all of the housemates' nominations from the privacy of your bedroom. You are not permitted to tell the other housemates about watching nominations or anything about this conversation.
Wow.
What are you doing?
Kiss, kiss?
No.
Kiss, kiss?
No, I don't want to kiss, kiss.
Yes.
Did you just call me a bitch?
Yeah, I saw on the chandelier and brought the roof down.
Did they chuck you out? Were you banned?
Yeah.
And they said if you come back, you pay for